Hello students, this is the second part of the video, addition of rational numbers. In this video, we are going to study that how we have to add two rational numbers or two or more rational numbers having different denominators. We are going to study case number 2, rational numbers with different or distinct denominators. So let's start the question with the help let's start this method with the help of an example. Let us suppose we have to add 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. As I have told you in the previous video also, that our first step or our rule is to make the denominator same. We have to make the denominators of both the rational numbers same, but in this the denominators are different. So the first step for making the denominator same is take LCM of denominators. What we have to do? We have to take the LCM of the denominators. Here in this question, denominators are 3 and 4. So the LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So our rational number is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Now I have to make the denominator 12 and 12 here also. Now by which number will I multiply 3 to make it 12? It is 4. And if I am multiplying denominator with 4, I have to multiply the numerator with 4 also. So I will get 2 4s are 8. So I will get 8 by 12. And again here also I have to make the denominator 12. So here I will multiply it with 3 and also the numerator with 3. So I will get 9 by 12. Now as you can see, we have made the denominator same. Now if the denominators are same, the second step is write the denominator as it is and simply add the terms present in the numerator. And there is 8 and 9 in the numerator, so 8 plus 9 is 17, and here is your answer, 17 upon 12. Let us take one more example. You have to add 2 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 4. Our first step is to make the denominator same, and for making the denominator same I have to take the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM of 5 and 4 will be 20. 5 4s are 20. So what I have to do now? I have to make the denominator 20 in the first rational number and in the second rational number also. So by which number will I multiply 5 to make it 20? If I multiply it with 4, so 5 4s are 20. And I have to multiply the numerator also. So 2 4s are 8 and 5 4s are 20. Similarly here, if I have to make 4 as 20, I will multiply 4 with 5 and I have to multiply the numerator with 5 also. And minus 3 into 5 will be minus 15. Now as you can see, the denominators are same now, and I have to simply add the numerators. So write the denominator as it is, which is 20 now. 8 as you have to add plus, but here the numerator is minus 15. So I'll write minus 15. Plus minus is minus, so 8 minus 15. Again 8 is having positive sign. Plus minus is minus. Plus minus is minus and sign of greater digit. So first of all I'll subtract 8 from 15. 15 minus 8 is 7 and 15 is the greater digit. It is having minus sign. So it will be minus 7. So your answer will be minus 7 upon 20. Let us do one more question. You have to add minus 7 upon 15 and minus 2 upon 5. First step is to make the denominator same, and for making the denominator same we have to take the LCM. LCM of 5 and 15. So here they are having more common factor except 1. So 5 and 15. 3 ones are 3, 5 will be as it is, and 3 5s are 15. Now it will go on 5. Sorry, here will be 1 and 1. So the LCM is 3 into 5, 15. LCM is 15. So make the denominator 15. Here the denominator is already 15. So I'll just multiply it with 1. So minus 7 upon 15. And our next rational number is minus 2 upon 5. For making 15, I have to multiply minus 5 with, sorry, it was minus 2 upon 5. I have to multiply it with 3 and it numerator with 3. So 2 minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 and 5 3s are 15. So denominators are same now. Simply add the terms present in numerator. Minus 7 plus minus 6. Again plus minus is minus. Minus 7 minus 6 upon 15. Minus minus is plus, but the sign will be negative. So 7 plus 6 is 13. The operation applied will be addition. That is 7 plus 6, 13. But the sign will be minus. So your answer will be minus 13 upon 15. I hope the questions in which the denominators are different and you have to add the rational numbers, these type of questions are clear to you now. Practice more questions from your book. Thank you.